Welcome to the 24 Days of Fishmas. My daughter got me this advent calendar. I actually already opened up the first 3 days. I was making a video for this already, and somehow my mic stopped working. What we got in the first day was a little tiny spoon, and it's pretty cool. I think I'm going to be able to fish this maybe at the Skyway for some Spanish mackerel, or maybe even in some of these ponds. Then I got a little baby shrimp here. Um, let's see, maybe, yeah, there we go. No, there we go. This is how it should go. This cute little shrimp. We're gonna try that out too. See if we get some pinfish or even maybe some snappers out there. And then we got a weedless frog. If you see that, pretty cool. And we're gonna try this in the pond behind the house. For the 24 days of Fishmas, what we're going to do is I have a couple goals. I want to get a video with the original Buddy Yackers, the first two, and I want one of you guys to sign up for the third Buddy Yacker if you're in this area, the Tampa, Bradenton, St. Pete area. We can meet up and we can get out there and we go Buddy Yakking. I'm going to try to get a live video where I bring in a couple of my other YouTube buddies, talk about what it means to have a YouTube channel and what all it entails for you aspiring YouTubers. Also, I'm going to do a video where I'm hoping if I can get a couple of you guys to sign up to be willing to come on a channel, if you created the foot controls that I made so many videos about, if you built them and you've tried them out, or if you just built them and you haven't got a chance to try them out yet, and you're willing to come live on the channel and just have a conversation, it'll be like a Saturday, a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday night, sometime in the next week or two. Let me know if you're willing to do that. If I can get a couple of you guys, that would be awesome. I'd love to hear from you, hear what worked for you and what didn't work for you, and how you guys put your personal twist on it. I know some of you have, so I like to see. I like to see what you have and how it turned out, and then two, just kind of get your feedback on how it worked out, and then we're gonna do a little bit something tomorrow. We're gonna just do kind of a short video, opening up day number 4 of the Fishmas 24 days of Fishmas Advent. We're gonna do a quick one tomorrow, and we're going to get into doing one every day. Like I said, it might just be a short one day, just a quick minute or less short, and then we're gonna do some that are gonna be a little bit longer, where I sit down and we talk about some aspect of the channel, whether it's some of the footage that I never actually did anything with. Show you guys some of the fish that I caught that I've just never made a video with because I didn't really have something went wrong. And that's the next thing I'm going to talk about, right? So something went wrong. There's a lot of things that go wrong when you're filming a YouTube channel, YouTube fishing channel. You'll be out there, your mic won't work, your camera dies at the wrong time. Just lots of crazy things, right? So some of that footage doesn't have great audio or doesn't have anything to really kind of like make it be entertaining other than catching a fish, or it's not the greatest angle. You think you're getting a great angle, but the camera behind you died. The one that's facing you is working for half of the shot, but then it dies, and then you got the one on your head or on your chest, and so it's just kind of not really lined up as great as you want. So we'll talk about some of the trials and tribulations that I went through early on, and still sometimes I do, but also what I've learned and some of the equipment that I use and how I use it to overcome those issues. So we got a few live videos that I want to do, and like I said, get some special guests, and then I'm gonna have kind of like year in review type fishing trip, footage and stuff like that. So there's gonna be custom footage that has never been seen before. Um, they won't be live videos necessarily, but we're gonna do something every day because for the rest of Fishmas, we have to open these. Like I said, I already opened up the first 3. That was 1, 2, and then 3. and we'll talk about um, anything you guys want to talk about. So the one question I have for you guys now is who? Well, I guess I got three questions. One, what do you want for Christmas? If Santa was going to bring you something, fishing related, tech related, YouTube, whatever. What is your goal? Because I know some of you are trying to get into the YouTube fishing, not necessarily trying to become the next Chad Hoover or anything like that. You want to start filming, you want to start sharing. So, what kind of presents would you like? Two, um, who's going to be the next buddy actor? And three, who is going to come on live on the channel and talk about the foot controls that they made based off of the ones that were on this channel that came from the original Greg Blanchard prototype that I guess the Wizard made. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed and you enjoy anything about this channel, subscribe, like this video, like all the videos, subscribe, click that notification bell, because if you don't, you won't get notified in a timely manner and you might miss out on something. And also comment below, how did you find this channel? How did you like it? I mean, we got a lot of things to do over the next 21 days, so I want to get some questions out there now and get them answered so that way it can help drive the next few weeks. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I look forward to the 24 days of Fishmas, and then we're gonna have Christmas, and then after Christmas, we're gonna see what we all got for presents. I'm excited. I hope you are too.